Okay, today we'd like to show you how to connect our air purified with the mask today. So when you receive the package, here are the details. And you need to connect this one. Put out some spare parts. Okay, firstly we use this one to connect here. Yeah, okay. And then we connect with another one, the short. Okay, and then we put it here. Yeah, just the spin, it's okay. Then we use this one. Yeah. Usually we put the mask here. You see here as a hole. So we put this inside the hole, and then get it through here. Yeah, okay. And then we connect it here. So you can use it and yeah, well, okay. Okay, now the second part. When you use up this masker, you will need to cut your own maskers. You can replace with any kind of masker. But better can like 5 or 4 layers masker would be better, because the fan inside here, the wind here is quite powerful. So now today I would like to show you how to cut. Firstly, we have this the cotton mark, to mask the cutting mark to help you. We pull off one of them. Okay, just like take this one. Okay, you see we pull off one piece. Yeah, here, this small round spot, and then we put on one of the mask here, and we use a pen. Yeah, you can circle. Yeah, make a circle around the round spot. Okay, here we go. And now we know how much bigger shall we take it. So now we take off this masker. Or you can keep at your own usage. Okay, now we can do the cotton. Firstly, hold it, and then we try to, you better connect a small hole at 2 sides. Yeah. Okay, we take off this part. Okay, and now we, use your circles. Yes. Okay. You just you can use a small pen. It's also okay, or maybe use a sensor just like me do. But be careful. Yeah, you better cut less than more. So although now it's okay, because this hole is mainly for the wind come in. Okay, now we use this one, and we put it inside the mask, and ensure the hole come out. Okay, now here we done. So now we connect it, and okay, now you can use it to wear, and the inside it's very tightly. Okay, done. Thank you.